This session will be starting with strings, and yeah, what is the string? Before first of all, uh, string has some special characters or special things. Let's suppose let's do multi-line comment for this. What is string? First of all, string is a other data type. Okay, that contains char str of 20. Yeah, something. This is that character one-dimensional array called string. That is the main thing. And also, what is the exact string definition? The group of characters, whether it is meaningful sentence or whatever it may be, enclosed in double quotations, is called string. Then you can str equals to like this. Group of characters enclosed in double quotation is called string. We should not assign the strings like this. For strings, there are some different functions, separate functions. All the functions that should be present in hash include string.h. In this header file, those string functions will be available. String.h. Okay, this is the main header file for the strings. Okay, within the string.h, we will have something function called strcmp, strcpy, str compare, str copy, str length. Okay, all those things are present in the string.h by default. Okay, let's do one by one. Str. Okay, now um, how to assign the first of all we'll read the string from keyboard. Okay, first of all character. Okay, ch something, and c is a case sensitive. We need to put everything in whatever the case small letters is there, the that should be matched in all the places. The ch variable should be small only. If you keep capital C and then small h, yeah, the entire program you need to call this variable with the same capital C, small h, whatever it may be it is. Next one is let's do reading a character and then printing the character. Printf /n enter char. Scanf %d address of ch. For characters, we need to put %c, and then you'll see printf entered character equals to %lc and then ch comma ch. This is the character declaration reading from keyboard. Save, execute, compile. Undetermined comment. What is the issue here? Enter character. Let's see, suppose R, entered character equals to R. Okay. The same way how to um, read data from the keyboard for strings for str. This is called string. This is called single character. This is called string. Okay. This str can hold until 20 characters only. It cannot hold more than 20 characters. For strings, you need to do str %ls. You need to do %ls for string. Enter char means instead of char, enter string. Save. Entered string equals to, yeah, this one %ls we should use. Execute, compile and run. Enter string. You see, entered string is like this. Okay, there is a different way of this is reading data from standard input, that is console. This is called console. This is called console. Okay, next one is, okay, how to assign strings. Okay, for integer we need to int k equals to 10, int I equals to 0, count equals to 0. This is way of assigning. Okay, for integers we will assign like, we usually assign like this. For strings, how to assign? Char str of 20 equals to hello something, yeah. Then this is not required. We can comment it out for some time. Execute, compile and run. You see, entered string is hello. Now something like hello world, let it be. Some space is there. Execute, compile and run. You see, entered string is hello world. Now, in this case, if I give space in the input, it will not take. Whatever it may be. But enter string is hello. After space, it will not take in the command, in the console. Be careful while doing this. Execute to run. Let's keep in the double quotes whether it will work. No, after space it will not work here. Okay, let's do some different kind of assignments. Suppose something like this. Yeah, surely it will work. By default, the string length will take care. Mm. Execute, compile and run. You see, this is also working. Either you keep str of 20 or 45, whatever it may be length. That is not required. You can, while assigning, you can do like this. Okay. Okay. String always ends with slash 0 by default. If I give slash 0 somewhere here, how it behaves? Let's see. Slash 0 means end of the string is this one only. This is the only end of the string. Okay, if I put slash 0 in the middle, then it will that up whatever the substring that is apart from that, it will not print. Okay, execute, compile and run. You see, whatever the slash 0 apart from dfj is not printed. Okay, always strings end with the slash 0, and then wherever the slash 0 is there, it will not read apart from that. Okay, next. There are some string functions that we use regularly. Before that, but printf, scanf, there is a some separate way of writing the strings as well. We'll see that as well. This is called string initialization, and then declaration of strings. This one we have done, and this is another way of initialization. At the end, we need to put slash 0 here. Okay, this is some array type. Here it should be slash 0, and then char str1. Yeah, this one will be the same. Okay, whatever we have done. Yeah, the first name. Okay. This is done just now. Yeah, you can read first name and age the together as well. Percent ls space percent ld. Yeah, let's see this one. Yeah, space will take care like this. Yeah, in the console we see something space. Okay, the percent ls will be the name, and then another space, and then d percent l equal to age, name age. Okay, this is just printing the name age. Something, save, execute, compile and run. Okay, enter your first name something, age, that gives age 34. Yeah, you entered name this one, age this one. Okay, this name goes to this name, and then age goes to 34, integer goes to 34 here. This one is a thing here. Wait. Yeah, there is some other functions called string function, getS, putS. Okay, even getS, instead of scanf you can use getS. Okay, instead of printf you can use putS. Okay, let's use getS putS now instead of this thing. Only for strings it will work. PutS means enter string. Let's see how it works. Instead of printf scanf, I use getS putS. These getS putS will be present in this header file. Header files will see discuss in the function section. Okay, execute, compile and run. Enter string. Yeah, suppose something like this. See, entered string equals to, correct. This is this is how the printf scanf like putS getS works. Maybe it will work something. Okay, if you want to print this one, the same thing, printf, you can use printf also. Printf, enter string equals to %ls, comma, name. This will also work. Execute, compile and run. See, enter string, this is the printf statement. These two are putS, output from putS. This is a getS. The instead of scanf, we use getS. Okay. This is only work for work. This will work only for strings, not integers, double, okay, float, characters and all. And get ch will do character. Okay, they for get s put a similar kind of get ch it will be. Let's see any other some more examples here. This is fgets is there. Fgets means it will read specify number of characters. If you use fgets, you should put something like number of characters you want to keep. Okay, the name should not be exceed 10 characters, something like that. If you use fgets, you should mention the size of the variable, how much size you are entering. For that purpose only you have to use fgets. Yeah, it will also work. Instead of gets, you can put this as well, name, and then how number of characters 10. When you just mention that stdin means standard input, this will also work. But here is you should mention something. You see, it is accepting space as well. You see, scanf will not accept space. It is accepting space, and also the size only it is taking. Only 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until 10 characters only it is taking. Okay. This is the problem with the fgets. Okay. Even that space also it will take. Something like this. Suppose let's do 20 here, 30 here. Here let's do 20. Save, execute, compile and run. I'll give more than 20 characters. Yeah. You see, until 1, 2, 3. Yeah, until this one only, this portion only took, because we kept only 20. Only 20 characters. You can count also. Okay. For scanf fgets fgets will be useful if you enter space also within middle, it will take accept. Here there space will not accept in the scanf. We use fgets or fgets only we extensively use in the programming. Printf we can do like this, f put s. Yeah, same f get s, instead of get s, we print like this. F put s, it will print like something like this. Okay, this is standard out. For files also we use f get s, f put s. Uh, okay, there is a C standard library. What are libraries here? stdio.h is a library. String.h is a library. These are called libraries. There are so many libraries available in the C. Okay, for each strings standard input. Right now we are using only these two. Um, there are different libraries are available. Okay, in this these are libraries. All these are. In the string libraries, there is a string length, string concatenation, string comparison, strcpy, string copy. All these things will be available. Let's do one by one. Whereas integers, how can you assign integer one? Suppose something integer equals to 30, something, and comma p. How can we assign p equals to h? This is the simple assignment. The age value 30 will go to p. Now I have some name, the name of 30 equals to something, this one, comma, something like this. Will it work if we do something like this? Name 1 equals to name. No, it will not work. For integers, characters, float, doubles, all these things, it will work. For strings, there is a separate called string function. For this assigning, that is copying one string to other variable, then strcpy we have to use. Name 1 comma name. Whatever the name variable, it will goes to name 1. This will not work. Then if you want to check that one, put as name 1 name, put as name 1, save. Name 1, name 1, name both are same. Okay, let's print this both these two. Execute, compile and run. You see the both variables printed here. We should use only strcpy, not like this integer assignment. Okay. Next one will be strcpy. Okay, length of the string strlen. This is one string function. Now string length. How to find string length? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. String length equals to %ld, comma, you should use strlen of name, or else you can do string length. You can do something length equals to, you can copy paste this one, cut paste. This will also, we are storing the length in the integer. You can put length, save, execute, compile and run. Oh, p undeclared. Okay, let it be. Execute, compile and run. Yeah, string length equals to 5. put slash n at the end, so that this is string length equals to 5 extras comma. Yeah, you see string length of this string is 5 characters long. Okay, length of the string is 5 characters. At the end slash 0 will be there. Okay. Okay. Instead of using strlen will give string length. Without using strlen, how can we get the string length here? Okay, let's do in the different way. Length equals to 0. Okay. Now this is something like a single array, character array for into I. I equals to 0. Initializing I name of I not equals to slash 0. Slash 0 means until the end of the string. String always ends with slash 0, null character. This is nothing but null character. I plus plus. Now, now let's printf percentile c. Let's print all the whatever the data in the string, the vertical format. Okay, percentile c comma name of I. Why I use percentile c now? Percentile c means one by one I am picking. This is okay. This how it will classify. Let's see some small example here. Yeah, if you see the char ch equals to something like this. First 0 index, 1 index. This is called index. These are called values. The 10th index will go to last character will goes to slash 0. Something like this. Hmm. If char str equals to geeks for geeks. Something if this str value geeks slash 0 at the end, and this is called str of 0 is equal to g, str of 1 equals to e, str of 2 equals to again e, str of 3 equals to k. Like this it will works. That name of 0 equals to a, name of 1 equals to s, name of 2 equals to k. Like this it will print. Here name of I means every time I equals to 0, I plus plus, I will increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until slash 0 comes. Until end of the string, it will run. Okay, it will print vertically all these characters. Okay, let's do. And then length also will increase here. Length plus plus is same as length equals to length plus 1. That means incrementing one by one. At the end, we'll get the length of the string. Okay. Instead of using strlen, this is also another way. Execute, compile, and run. By infinite loop. Ideally, it should be something single quotes. Let's try the single quote. We should use single quote now. That is problem here. Should not use double quotes. Double quote means strings only. Length plus plus. I'm incrementing length now. And then save. At first length equals 0, it will traverse entire all the array elements. We can name it as each character is an array element here. Okay, execute, compile and run. Yeah, you see at the end string length is 5. We can put a slash in here for every place so that we'll get the new place. You can put a number of slashes. It will that much space line space will come. Oh, you kept slash and slash in here. Let's do slash in here so that it will come. Execute, compile and run. You see, two slashes I gave, two slashes here. That's why it come here. String length equal 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters are there. That's why string length is 5. If you can put something like this, execute, compile and run. You will get a number of characters here. String length equals to 13. All characters. Okay, string length is done. Next one is reverse of the string. Just name one. Name is something this one and then reverse of the string. String copy of name one comma strrev. String reverse. Reverse of this name 30 will copy into name one. Okay, this bracket is for this. This bracket is for entire thing. Okay, this is called reverse of the string. I want to do reverse, string reverse. Okay, let's do what is the string reverse here. Put as name. This is actual string. Put as name one. This is the reverse of the string. strrev. This is string reverse. Reverse will come here. Execute, compile and run. This was not reversed, no? Let's see this one. How it prints. Execute, compile and run. Yeah, you see strrev name. It is reversed here. FOG this from here to here it is printing. But strcpy, strrev is not working. Okay. Oh, strrev of name. That means itself it is reversing. That's to uh, suppose what I am doing here. Okay, let it be. Hmm. strcpy name one, name two, both are same now. Okay, let's do strrev of name. Then at the end we will see put s. Okay, this name, whatever the value of name will get reversed automatically in this case. Let's do save, execute, compile and run. Here semicolon missing. Save, execute, compile and run. Yeah, the put as name, this strcpy, that this value, name value goes to name one. That put as name one will be this one. After reverse, the name will goes to reverse. That name will go to reverse. Okay, name of value strrev means itself it will rename. Okay, now strc compare. Let's see the strcmp. strcmp, yeah, let's do strcmp now. Well, you want to check whether the two strings are equal or not. This is the something. Okay, let's do into result something. Okay, name one is equals to strcmp string comparisons, name comma name one. If the string comparison both are equal, name one, then the result will be 0. If the names are different, the result will be 1. If result equals to 0, put s strings are equal, else put s strings are different. Something you can mention. Okay, let's do save. Now what I did, I have copied this string one, whatever the name will go to here in this case, and then I will do reverse of this name will go to this value will get reversed in the trrev. Now I am checking whether these two names are equal. If the two names are equal, it will print strings are equal. Execute, compile and run. Strings are different. You see, this is the string one, this is the reverse name equals to this one, name equals to this one, name one equals to this one, this one is the name one, this is the name. Now these strings are different. I want to check whether the string is palindrome or not. How to check? Same way, we'll do the same thing, and then if the result equals to 0, palindrome. The this one is not palindrome. Okay, let's do save, and then okay, name will go to first of all name 30 and name 130. We are copying both the names, and then we'll reverse the one name or name one, whatever it may be, you can reverse. Then if the both reverse will be same, then we can make it as, we can name it as palindrome. If they are not, it's not palindrome. Execute, execute, compile and run. You see, not palindrome. Let's do palindrome string here. Madam. Execute, compile and run. You see, yeah, madam is a palindrome. If you reverse this one, it will be the same only. The madam, if you do reverse also, the value of the will not change. If you do madam reverse, then it will be same name only. That is called palindrome. You can do put s of name, put s of name one. At the end, you can see put s of name, this name value, and then name one also. Put s of name one. They save, and then execute, compile and run. You see, palindrome, madam, madam. Okay, if you do reverse also, madam, madam. Okay, let's do not palindrome. Something like this. FD will come in the front. Execute, compile and run. You see, this is the name. This is the name one. This is reverse na FD DF at the end. Name one. Then we got output called not palindrome. Okay, with this we'll stop this today's string session. We'll continue the same session, the remaining string session tomorrow.